Alright, this is Ray, or Bassinator, and we're about to fish this nice pond. It's pretty decent. Y'all want to see. But, for the questions, today I'll be using my Spitball Fire rod, and my Red Rod One Piece 1.5. Right there. Winco, Wacky Rig, and Jig, or anything else better. So we'll get you guys.
Alright, so
subscribe, please. Right here. Let's go. Got you guys on my chest today. Since I got the Hero 3. I'm not gonna tell me if they can't see or not. But see if there's fish in here at all. But he said there was. I just want to see if it's true. But the Wacky Rig it. Yep. Yo, it feels so different. Yo, you ever caught anything in here? I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some fish down there on the shoreline. You guys can see I'm doing the Wacky Rig setup. Yo, I never used the setup like it is. See how set and hook with this rod would be like, honestly. A lot of vegetation around here. Not gonna get this messed up. Oh god. Is that a bite? But yeah, there's only a little bit of tricks of uses Wacky Rig, and especially at shallow spots like this, and if you're a short angler, you can't really test your patience. You gotta just go right on. Like, if you feel like you got a bite, you gotta hurry up and hit it. But I mean, you have more of a chance because, you know, you have a hook. It's not like a Cinco where everything's patted down and you don't have a choice. So you kind of have a hook that you can set, and it'll be easier for you. What's up, Liberty? Subscribe to the channel. Nice. See any bites? Oh, look at that pocket. nice healthy fish. But when I came in there, she's aggressive. She's gonna be a big mama when she go there. Oh man, I hooked myself. It feels so good. She a dink though. I don't keep dinks. Nice little fish. Take a picture and then let her go. Little dink on the Recue aid. Look, you know the bass in this lake. Quite aggressive. Oh, iron broke. Phenomenal. Iron broke off my rod today. Ugh. Gonna have to work today. Aye, man, I feel like I'm fishing with a kid's rod. Yeah. Do it. I can't. Can I fish that? Oh, I missed a fish. That was a fish. That was a nice one too. Oh my gosh, what the woo! Flipperty doggities, bruh. That was another bite miss. I think it's just the hook that I have. I think I already used it and it's already playing with me. So, wait, let me get this cast. Alright. Okay. So, about to leave. Wrapped it up. Dawn right now, dusk. We out here. Successful day with this rod. This rod I left right here. Did not want to use. Nice bait, but it was too deaf for me. Didn't want it. Boy right there getting ready. I think he closed out his YouTube channel. Yo, this never fished this place before in my life, and got 4 fish. I mean, it's a decent place. I'm gonna start hitting this now. Didn't know about it. Said no fishing. So I don't know. I mean, get caught once, can't go to it again. So, but all I know is they feed on this, and they feed on straight worms. Worms. I didn't try crankbait yet because this rod, my Quantum Octite 16400, 6.4 gear ratio with crankbaits. The Yomaka did not go well at all. The Yomaka did not go well at all. At all. We're just wrapping up today. Very good day. Very good day. I liked it. I mean, I was hoping to catch one more fish before we leave, but mosquitoes start coming out, and that's how it is in Florida now. Shout out to Lit Ripper and
subscribe my channel.
Subscribe my channel. Down right here on this link, right here. Please subscribe my channel. You won't regret it. Trust me. Bada boom, bada bing. Yeah.